Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to add music in Bigo Live. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Bigo Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account and from your home page of Bigo Live, tap on the big blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now select Audio Live from the bottom. Now type in the title for your live stream by tapping on Add a Title to Chat text box. Once you're done, tap on the Go Live button and now allow the permission for the application to appear on top. Go back and now you'll see a countdown and your live stream has begun. Tap on the menu button at the bottom left corner and tap on the music icon. Tap on the plus button to add songs and now enter the music name or singer to search for the music that you'd like to add. You can also find the music on your library on this page. Tap on the plus button to add it on your Bigo Live and you can also add more songs if you like. Now play the music and then go back. You can now return back to your live stream and the music will continue to play on the background. You can tap on the music bubble right here on the screen and control the sound and also the playlist for your Bigo Live. After you're done, in order to end the broadcast, simply tap on the cross button at the top right. Confirm quitting your broadcast from the pop-up by tapping on Quit Broadcast, and that is it. That is how you can easily add music and play it in the background on Bigo Live. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.